This is what we at the City of Wichita refer to as a 2x5 structure lid. These are made of steel or cast iron. We are replacing them with FRP fiberglass lid and frame to eliminate them being stolen, damaged, and to make it easier and safer for our cleaner operators to clean and inspect the structure. First, we start by removing the lid and rows of brick until the required measurement is attained. You'll want to start with a clean, smooth surface, and we will lay a layer of concrete to set the lid down onto so it is sealed to the catch basin. Once it's installed, we will tap it down so it is sealed to the catch basin, and you want to try to make sure that it is flush with the top of the curb line. Once the lid is in its correct position, it is then concreted around the frame to ensure that it is stable and unable to be removed without the proper equipment. Once the frame is concreted down, you will backfill with dirt, and this is revealing your finished product. Any damage to the curb inlet can be corrected after installation.